Okay. This, my friends, is a... Holy fuck, this thing is heavy. Alright. Let me put this camera right here.
I have it?
No, stay right there, okay?
Can I watch it?
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Daniel, Alan, Jaysun, this is a huge bass. Come over here, Bradley.
Oh, well, I'm scared of him.
Come over here and look at your fish. This is...
I am looking
Come here, Ethan.
at it.
Come here. I'm sorry. This is like a... What is this, a world record?
Yeah, that one is for Mama.
See this thing? Bam!
Yeah.
What is that, really? That's about 9 pounds. Ah. That's more than 9 pounds.
More than 9.
That's more than 9 pounds.
Yeah, when we get a smaller fish, when we come at this one, we catch a small fish. So that
That's not a small fish, Bradley. That's the biggest bass I've ever caught in my life.
Yeah, there's big ones in this one now.
Holy cow! Ah. Okay, look. For you boys at home, I got my whole hand inside this fish's mouth. My whole hand. My whole entire hand. Dude, this is like something you take home and mount. You want to come hold him?
No, I'm scared of him.
Alright. In the preservation of gigantic bass all over the world, we're going to put this one back. Because holy cow, this is a big bass.
Let's just take that one home.
No, we're not going to take this one home.
We're not?
No.
No,
That's a big mama bass.
oh.
That's a big mama bass, and she has got probably lots of potential to make more bass. So we're going to put this one back because we've got video footage of this.
Big? I want to touch him.
Okay, hold on. This is what... Say hi, Ethan.
Hey,
Okay.
I want to touch him.
You want to come over here and touch him?
Yeah.
What is this thing? Come on. Okay. You want to touch him?
I touched him.
Or her. That's a her. Okay, come here. I want you to get you on camera. Come over here. No, just stand right here. Right here. I got him. Her. Stand right here. Say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Jesus Christ. You're the biggest fish I've ever caught in my life. Now we're going to put her back.
Just throw her in there.
Holy shit.
Yeah,
I can't even hold that thing up. Alright, we're ready to let her go. Ready? Let's put her back in the water. There she goes. Bye, fish. This is a good day.